Hmm? What? That. This one, it's called mukene. Say mukene. Mukene. Fish. That is silver fish. Okay, eat.
It's not that thing. It's food.
Daudi. Kati wona obujjemu obusudde wano. This is not dirty. It's fish. It's silver fish. Oyina okumulyako.
It's good for your health.
Daudi?
It's good for your health. That's food. It's not that thing.
It's food. So food. Sorry.